lot of people are making their own anime, their first Indian anime.
अच्छा
Uh, so we're gonna show you some trailers and we just want feedback कि उनका animation आपको कैसा लग रहा है या फिर if they have AI or is this gonna work.
What are your first impressions, Raj bhai? Like,
मेरे को एग्जैक्टली क्या हो रहा है उतना समझ में नहीं आया हाँ तो इट्स कूल बट it feels like there are separate works, there are separate clips being stitched together with no real, But these kind of things were happening even before we came onto the scene, but much better quality. Okay, like we are not the first sort of anime animators, so to speak. We have seniors like Krishna Balram, the Zong brothers, right? So who've done very short clips of much higher quality than what I see here. Um, but nothing. I mean, I wouldn't really be able to say what's going on in this video. You know,
so
I mean, at one point it says beyond dimension. I'm wondering
yeah,
which dimension exactly. But anyway, that has just kidding.
So,
Yeah, go ahead.
so even though you don't know the context, you picked one thing very on point.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
it is stitched together from here and there. There is no
Hmm,
coherent storyline that you see, right? That's
hmm,
because it is picked from here and there. It has many like anime scenes compiled together,
hmm,
maybe traced or maybe inspired,
hmm.
and they are just stitched together. There is no particular storyline that they have in mind, I think.
You notice a lot of frames just उठा के उसी के ऊपर एक नए कैरेक्टर का वो बना के
अच्छा अच्छा हाँ नहीं taking
that
references is okay but if you're tracing then at least trace all the frames because
yeah.
uh, हाँ
अच्छा,
मतलब
so
वो choppy आया
that
था in वरदान
hmm. So this is okay. So I think we should tell the backstory, Tanubhai, which will help here.
बताओ बताओ.
So probably over a year ago, right? हम लोग भी जब हमने चाइवो सेंपाई जो शुरू किया था, so we actually came across this anime, Indian anime, first Indian anime, whatever they are calling it, Vardhan करके, right? So हुआ ये कि now they have actually deleted all the footage, but they were earlier using all the AI trailers, like all the prompt trailers. You can think about कि वो morph हो रहे हैं and everything like that.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
They have very smartly removed it from the channel now because they did not expect to get such accidental marketing वो जो हो गई अपने आप. We can also not call it accidental marketing because on the Instagram sphere, this particular anime was like being marketed as India का पहला anime बन रहा है, but support कहाँ है?
हम्म
जापानीज एनिमे को तो कवर कर देते हैं इंडियन लोग, मतलब सपोर्ट, बट जब बात आ जाती है इंडियन एनिमेस की तो कोई सपोर्ट नहीं करता. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ
there are
इमोशनल
plenty of people there are plenty of people doing actual work
या
okay uh, but that's the thing कि I mean there's other abhi a couple of days back we had a second feature with Hindustan Times right so they were talking about one or two other creators and everyone's putting out trailers and stuff like that okay maybe no one will be able to sustain 25 minutes of coherent content, a full pilot episode to give to the masses for free. And you'll also take the leap of faith and produce two more episodes, turn it into a movie, and that sort of does the round. So that is then you're talking about being film professional. That has garnered us a lot of attention and gotten us clients and is sustaining the studio. So it sort of becomes a portfolio item. But for something like this, यहाँ पे what is the future? Like, is the future of Studio Durga gaining followers, or is it actually
So
making some anime and
yeah,
releasing
so
it? You
that
know?
was the doubt that everybody, like every Indian we've had, right? The doubt was that
Mhm.
now that you have gotten the 2 lakh followers on the Instagram account for this particular per se, India's first anime, the question was like, where is the result? Because they have been trying to tell, or maybe just like say that okay, the India's first anime is dark fantasy anime is like coming out for like
Capitalize on
almost
it.
a year, but then they
Mm.
released this, right? This actually happened after they got let's say questioned back from the community a lot, because this time the community was like, भाई हम एक साल से कर रहे हैं support, है कहाँ, like कुछ तो दिख जाता छोटा मोटा, something. Then they released this,